Hello everyone, Antonette here, and welcome to my channel, Decorating Ant's Place. Today I'm going to be decorating the top of this cabinet, which is yelling at me to add some spring color, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be decorating the top of this cabinet for spring/Easter. I'm going to be using some pieces that I recently purchased and which I showed in a previous shopping haul video. And you know, it's time to decorate for spring. I had many different ideas about how I was going to decorate this cabinet top. I had ideas to incorporate all sorts of different spring related colors. But then at the end, I thought I wanted to keep it a little more cohesive and I wanted it to be very elegant. So I'm basically using one color, that's the color blue, and sort of some different shades of that blue, an aqua blue, which I think work nicely together. So I hope you will enjoy the way I put these pieces together. It's going to be kind of simple, very soft and elegant, like I mentioned, and I hope that you will enjoy it. I'm going to walk you through step by step. I will be behind the camera for the actual decorating of this, and then stay tuned for a little later in this video. I'm going to talk about the details of this video and how it came to be. So here we go. So as you saw, this is what the top of my cabinet looks like. Very, very, very simple. I'm adding this white scarf that is sort of messily placed on top of the cabinet, and I do quite like this look a lot. On top of that, I'm going to add these absolutely beautiful candle holders I recently bought at HomeSense. They are this aqua blue color on top of these gold stands. I wasn't certain about them when I purchased them because of the gold, but I have to say I'm absolutely in love with the gold now, and I think it looks quite beautiful. So that's what it looks like so far. I've added these gold long mercury glass candle holders to go with the gold of our recently new candle holders. And to that, I'm just going to simply place on top these pretty aqua blue candles. And please please excuse the lighting. This corner just is very difficult to film with respect to lighting. So to this, I'm going to add these blue mercury glass egg bunnies that I recently also bought at HomeSense at the same time that I purchased those candle holders. And I do adore these bunnies. And that's how our look is coming together so far, but we're not finished. I'm adding these really pretty turquoisey, aqua colored, sort of Tiffany blue colored little votive holders. And I'm bringing back this gold frame. And what I'm going to do is take apart this sign that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I'm simply placing that bunny right in the middle. And I was so excited when I found that the size of that bunny fits perfectly into this picture frame. So this is what we're looking like so far, and I'm keeping with the blues. but we're not done quite yet. I'm adding this really pretty sparkly blue butterfly. This was purchased at Dollarama last year. We have some eggs on the other side, some really pretty sparkly blue eggs. I love that shade of blue. And then this beautiful little egg I also picked up at Dollarama that says Faith and is perfect for Easter. Now before the grand reveal, hang on. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by the GLAM Elegant Living Society, for which I'm so honored to be a part of. The host of this group is my sweet friend, Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living, and my co-participants are Petal of Petalisbless, Sheryl of IStyleMyStyle, and Candy of DIY Designs by CCW. Please pay these amazing creators a visit to see what they've come up with as part of this collaboration, along with the entire playlist. I've linked all their channels in my description box, along with the playlist link. The GLAM Elegant Living Society hosts exciting open collaborations on a seasonal basis, so please check out my description box for upcoming dates. Thank you so much, and now let's get to the grand reveal.